what keeps us going. On behalf of ASA family, from our non-narrative head, Sir Louis Andrada, our business unit head, Ms. Jasmine Paliera, our director, Direct Joel Laigo, from the hardworking artists, staff, crew, musicians, arrangers, choreographers, dancers, mula po sa amin sa ASAP, maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, sa parangal na ito. To God be the glory.
We now move on to another special award in the field of business. She has a strong partnership with the local entertainment industry and has been successful in terms of making the Filipino women beautiful inside out. This program earned the highest record-breaking television rating and still the undisputed most popular television program. Primetime drama, congratulations to FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Lorraine Santa Cruz.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza Awards sa karangalang pinagkaloob sa amin. May mga mangilan-ngilan na ako lang po na award sa Guillermo, pero isa po ito sa pinaka-special sa akin kasi iba pala ang pakiramdam kapag nasa likod ka na rin ng production. Naiintindihan mo na yung hirap ng mga taong nasa likod, ng mga staff, crew, directors, writers, creatives, producer. Ang hirap pala. Kaya sa aming mga artista, masasabi ko na kami pala ang pinakamaswerte sa lahat po ng nagtatrabaho sa isang pelikula o sa isang teleserye. Kasi napakahirap ng preparation bago masagawa ang isang programa o isang pelikula. Kaya gusto ko sana pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga katulong ko sa paggawa ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay FPJ, kay Tita Susan, na hanggang ngayon ay sila ang nagiging daan upang makagawa kami ng isang magandang teleserye at mga pelikula na ginagawa pa rin natin hanggang sa ngayon. Nagpapasalamat ako unang-una po sa ABS-CBN na hanggang ngayon po ay patuloy pa rin po nilalaban. Kahit alam po natin na matindi ang pinagdaanan ng buong kumpanya, marami ang nawalan ng trabaho, pero patuloy pa rin pong lumalaban ang lahat po ng mga nagtatrabaho dito. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Tita Cory Vidanes dahil talaga po nakikita namin kung gaano ang hirap na kanyang pinagdadaanan upang itabuhin ang kumpanya. Kay Sir Carlo, maraming salamat po. Kay Sir Deo, Sir D, ikaw ang lahat ng ito, ikaw ang aming inspirasyon, ikaw ang aming mentor. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Hanggang sa tumanda kami, nasa puso't isipan ka namin, ikaw ang nagtulong sa amin ang lahat ito para maging matibay at pagiging mapagmahal sa aming trabaho. Salamat po sa lahat ng aking mga kasamang mga directors, sa lahat ng aking mga kasamang mga writers, creative, sa lahat ng aking mga staff, crew, sa lahat ng mga artista kasama ko dito, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Maraming salamat po sa aking manager. Thank you so much, Mother Beams. At gusto ko rin po sana pasalamatan sa pagkakataong ito ang Channel 5. Thank you so much po sa pagtulong niyo sa amin. Nakupkupin kami upang mabigyan ulit kami ng pagkakataon may palabas. Sa A2C, thank you so much din po sa inyo. Sa GMA, maraming salamat po dahil napakarami niyo rin pong natulungan ng mga kasamahan namin sa ABS-CBN. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga taong nagtutulungan ngayon sa industriya para ipagpatuloy at lumaban na muling mabuhay po ang ating industriya upang magkaroon po ng maraming trabaho pa ang ating mga manggagawa. Ganun po eh, nagpapasalamat po muli ako sa lahat po na bumubuo ng FPJ Squad ng Quiapo. Sa lahat ng mga manonood. I love you. Thank you so much.
From the nerve-wracking and heart-breaking teleseries, we now move on to the good vibes naman. Of course, this award is very special to me.
Awards is Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award, named after the founder and heart of the Guillermo Foundation. This award is an honor of the Box Office Entertainment Awards Grand Matriarch, Corazon Samaniego, who has lovingly and patiently cared for the Guillermo Foundation and its scholars. When she passed away, this Lifetime Achievement Award was born in her name. This year's awardee has more than 200 films in his credit. From his first film, Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang in 1974 to When I Met You in Tokyo in 2023. That's just in the movies. He has also starred in numerous teleseries, and in both worlds, he has gained almost all acting awards from all award-giving bodies. 5 decades of quality portrayal, high degree of professionalism, and giving us the best films and TV programs to watch. Enough reason to recognize him as the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Mr. Christopher De Leon.
To present the award from the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Jim Paul Mendoza. To accept this award is Mr. Tirso Cruz III.
Liwanagin lang muna natin, hindi ako si Christopher De Leon. Siya po ang aking best bud sa madaling na kaibigan. Unfortunately, Mr. De Leon is under the weather. Medyo masama akong pakiramdam. Most probably because of our changing weather. Mainit, malamig, and as we all know, he's busy right now. He's doing Batang Quiapo. And 3 araw na po siyang may ginukuha ng fight scene. Eh, alam niyo naman na medyo bata pa siya, kanya madaling sumakit ang katawan. Hindi, biro lang. I'm kidding. Anyway, I'd like to thank the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award, which is very fitting na maibigay sa isang taong katulad ni Christopher De Leon, a man who I truly admire, and I'm sure a lot of people here will be joining me in saying na he is the drama king, the best actor drama king, multi-awarded. Ang dami kong masasabi tungkol sa kanya, but I wouldn't want to waste your time tonight. So, for and in behalf of this great actor and this great man, a father, a husband, a good provider, and a good friend. And someone who has dedicated his life dito sa ating industriya. So very fitting ito sa kanya. So Mr. De Leon, I know you're bedridden right now, but may sakit eh. Sinasamantala ko. Anyway, this is for you, Tarigo. And I take pride in accepting this for you. Thank you very much.
Two of the pillars of the industry and a power tandem who made more than 30 awards. Award-winning and blockbuster films together. Spanning more than 45 years, both are award-winning actors. Both have won respect and admiration from their peers from our generations. Indeed, they are worthy of this iconic award. You will never describe Philippine cinema without these two icons. The Guillermo Foundation hereby presents the award for Box office iconic stars of Philippine movies, to Mr. Christopher De Leon and Miss Vilma.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I love you! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award. Gusto kong kunin yung pagkakataon na ito para mula sa aking puso ay magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng pagkilala na ibinibigay niyo po sa akin sa napakahabang taon ng aking pong career sa industriyang Pilipino. Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat po para sa pagkilalang ito na isang iconic box office queen. Maraming salamat po. Pero higit sa lahat, ito po ay utang na loob ko sa ating pong publiko and of course to my Vilmanians. Mula po ng umpisa, umulat umaraw, anumang panahon, ay nandiyan po kayo para suportahan po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, Lord, thank you for all the blessings. And of course, sa akin pong inspirasyon ng aking pong pamilya. So to all of you, again, Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat.
Box office icon of Philippine movies never ever rests on her laurels. From her movies Lipad Darna to Bato sa Buhangin, from Nakakahiya to Burlesque Queen. from the biggest blockbusters, relasyon sinasamba kita. Paano ba mangarap? Gaano kadalas ang minsan? She continues to draw huge crowds of moviegoers, and indeed, she will always be Philippine entertainment star for all seasons, Film Actress of the Year, the one and only Miss Vilma Santos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Wilhelmina Reyes and Councilor Ray Manoto.
Muli po, sa bumubuo po ng Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat po muli sa pagkilala bilang Film Actress of the Year para po sa pelikulang When I Met You in Tokyo. Maraming salamat po from the heart. And kukunin ko lang din uli ang pagkakataon na ito para pasalamatan po ang pamilya ko sa When I Met You in Tokyo, ang JG Productions. Maraming salamat po. And also, ang pamilya ko po at mga kasamahan kong artista na bumuo and crew, staff ng aming pong pelikulang When I Met You in Tokyo. And also, gusto kong pasalamatan yung aming pong mga direktor, Direk Rado, Direk Romel, and our Associate Director, Christopher De Leon. Director Christopher De Leon. And I would like to share this award also to my perennial love team and partner in the industry, Mr. Christopher De Leon. Yes, para sa atin ito. And of course, again, thank you for all the blessings. And this is also for my family. At sa lahat po ng mga tumatangkilik sa napakahabang taon sa akin pong career, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
It has always been one of my dreams to be that perfect TV host. Just like our next awardee na talaga namang idol na idol namin pagdating sa hosting. Pag magaling ang host, panalo agad ang programa sa ratings. He is the ultimate TV host, mapa-game show, variety, talk, and reality search. He has never failed to entertain and educate his audience. The male TV host of the year, congratulations, Mr. Luis Manzano.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jim Paul Mendoza. And to receive the award is Miss Vilma Santos.
I love you, Lucky. On behalf of my son, Luis Manzano, Lucky, anak, congratulations. Ito ho ay para sa kanya. At alam ko ho na magpapasalamat din po siya dahil sa napakahabang panahon bilang isang male TV host ay talagang nabibigyan pa rin siya ng pagkilala hanggang ngayon. So sa pangalan po ng aking anak, si Lucky, kung nandito siya ngayon, I'm sure i-dedicate niya ito sa kanya pong pamilya ngayon. Si How How, si Jessie Mendiola Manzano, at syempre sa aking pong apo, sa kanya pong anak, si Baby Peanut, si Rosie Tawile Manzano. Ito ho ay para sa kanila. Anak, congratulations, keep up the good work. Sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa kanya, maraming salamat po. I love you, Lucky!
And give justice to true-to-life characters. His portrayal of Father Jacinto Zamora in the historical masterpiece Gomburza has elevated him to Movie Supporting Actor of the Year. It is truly our pleasure. Congratulations, Mr. Enchong D.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is James Mendoza.
Good evening, everyone. Ako si Encho. Hi, beauty. For a while, it's always been a question for me. Saan ba ako pupunta? Hindi ko alam if nakikita ng tao yung efforts na nilalagay ko sa trabaho ko. Pero kanina kausap ako ni Vilma Santos, sabi niya okay daw ako. So sabi ko, yes, para ako nanalo na. Thank you, Vilma Santos po. Tapos, there are so many people that I want to say thank you. The team of Gomburza, Direk Pepe, thank you very much for being such a collaborative director. My best actor, Cedric Juan, you're an inspiration. Dante Rivero, oh my gosh, you're like a gift to Philippine entertainment industry. Thank you very much for sharing your talent to us. Sa lahat ng bumuo ng team ng Gomburza, from our lightsman, cinematographer, utility man, lahat ng tao na hindi natin nakikita sa likod ng camera, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo dahil parte kayo nitong award na hinahawakan ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Gomburza is something very close to my heart. And I want to dedicate this award to all the Filipinos that hasn't gotten their justice in our country. I keep saying that our justice system has gone a long way. We have improved so much, but we have a long way to go. And I want to make Gomburza as a message to all our younger generation that we can do something together. We can see our country great again. And together, we rise, divided we fall. So I just want to say thank you very much, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for this recognition. Thank you very much for all the people that have guided me through the years. Tita Monch, Charlene, Tito Karen, thank you very much. To my Star Magic family, Derek Lauren, thank you so much. And also, to God be the glory. Thank you, thank you.
Our next awardee is known for her out-of-the-box, all the other aspects aspects of entertainment such as social media, commercial endorsements, recording live shows and tours both here and even abroad. We all know their fan base is so huge and continues to grow in number, and I have to say, I'm one of them. I have to be.
May they be Max Payne or Dave on Reason to Hate, or as I know them, Ling and Bingo of Pet by Leaders. Bongo will always create a big impact on Philippine entertainment. Guillermo Foundation hereby crowns the Prince and Princess of Philippine Entertainment, Bonnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Ms. Ruby Shane Policarpio and Lorraine Santa Cruz.
Thank you, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for recognizing us and for this recognition. It truly means a lot. I'd actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal niyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Nato, thank you. And lastly, Father God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayan, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Paano ba ito? Ano ito? Mas cute na medyo. I love you too. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And sa lahat ng mga supporters natin, maraming salamat. Siyempre, to God be the glory always. Salamat po sa sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. We love you guys very much and have an amazing night. Thank you.
Female Recording Artist of the Year, Moira De La Torre.
Presenting the trophy from the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Vicky Mendoza.
Una sa lahat, happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng nanay na nandito ngayon. Pangalawa po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation para sa karangalang ito. Salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin sa loob ng 8 taon. Hindi po ito magiging posible kung hindi dahil sa mga taong naniwala at nagtiwala sa akin. Sa pamilya ko, sa Cornerstone, sa ABS-CBN, Star Music, my Republic family, and most importantly, sa Panginoon po. Na patuloy akong ginagabayan sa bawat hakbang at sa bawat panahon. Pwede po ba ako magkwento konti lang? Around 10 years ago, I got my heart broken in this very school. I then proceeded to write songs about it as my outlet. And those songs ended up becoming what you now know as the Malaya album. Because of your love and support for me and my songs, I get to receive amazing awards like this one that continue to inspire me and remind me that even when we don't understand, God makes all things beautiful in His time. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Moira Pinatol.
He has given his title 7 times in the last years, and this year, in spite all the changes she has gone through, she has now managed to once again win that crown all on her own. Her role in A Very Good Girl is certainly out of her comfort zone, yes, but she was able to live out her character perfectly and even made the movie the second top grosser for 2023. Kaya sabay-sabay tayo. Let's all hail our box office queen, the one and only Catherine Bernardo!
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation, our engineer Rick Santiago and James Mendoza.
Good evening. What an honor to be here tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So this wouldn't be possible without A Very Good Girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And I'd like to share this award to Peter San Vargas, my dearest P, our director. From the moment I changed your name in my contacts after you messaged me, I knew we would get along. I admire your hunger, your passion, and your vision for the Philippine film industry. I know I told you this so many times, paulit-ulit na ako. You are an amazingly talented human being. I will always be rooting for you, and maraming salamat sa pag-guide mo sa akin sa proyektong to. Also, I'd like to share this award to Miss D, Miss Dolly De Leon, of course. My fellow Aries, working with you has been a highlight in my career. Thank you so much for being with me in this journey. Philo wouldn't be the same without Molly, and Kath wouldn't be the same without Miss D. You will always have my respect. I miss you so much. Maraming salamat sa experience, sa learnings, but most of all, thank you for the friendship. Sorry, mamilistahan ako, so isa-isahin ko lang sila. And to everyone, of course, who made this film possible. The cast, our staff, our crew, our DOPs, Noel Tehanki, our talented and hard-working writers headed by Ate Carmi Raimundo, our producers, Leo Marie, thank you so much for the never-ever-ending guidance. I'm sharing this award on behalf of all of you. This is a win for all of us. And to the fans! Thank you so much for allowing me to explore a different genre and still having my back no matter what happens. I never felt your hesitation. You've always trusted my career decisions. And hindi nyo alam kung gaano yun ka-importante sa akin. So salamat sa pag-iintindi. And of course, to Guillermo Awards, thank you so much for this incredible honor. Maraming salamat po. When the movie was released, we were still recovering from the pandemic. It was such a challenging time for the industry. We didn't know kung yung ginawa namin would be enough to encourage the people to go back to the cinemas again. We didn't know if the audience would be ready for something new, something out of the box, like A Very Good Girl. But you all surprised us and you all delivered. Higit pa po dun yung binigay nyo at maraming salamat. Sabi nga ni Philo, you guys are murderers because you killed it. Maraming salamat na unti-unti napabalik natin yung mga tao sa sinihan at ang laking bagay ng A Very Good Girl dun. AVGG is a project that will always be close to my heart because of what it represents. A brave material about powerful women. It's about women who are not afraid to go after what they want and to fight for what is right. Hanggang sa matapos po namin i-film na ito, yung mga lessons na iniwan sa akin ito, I will be bringing them to my heart and to my life. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng lessons. And lastly, I'd like to acknowledge my fellow actors and the people behind the camera who share the same passion and goal. We are celebrating so many wins tonight. And this moment is proof that together, we can keep the Philippine cinema alive. Maraming salamat po.
I love you too, Dad.